Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Build Your English podcast. I'm Mia, and today we're talking about something warm and simple, my international family. Family that lives close, family that lives far, and family that somehow knows your news before you tell anyone.
And I'm Leo. Today I am in a very good mood because this topic is easy. I can talk about my family for hours. My family is loud love.
Loud love is perfect. And don't worry, this is not a serious speech. It's just two friends talking, like normal people, about the people we love. Leo, quick question. When you think family, who do you think of first?
My mom. Always my mom. My mom is kind, but also very strong. She's the type of person who says, "It's okay," and then she fixes everything. And she asks one question every day, every single day, like it's her job.
What question?
Did you eat? She doesn't ask, "How are you?" She asks, "Did you eat?" If I say, "Yes," she says, "What did you eat?" If I say, "I ate pasta," she says, "Okay, but did you eat vegetables?" It's like she is my food manager.
Moms are like that. My mom does something similar. She sends a message and it's always the same energy. Be careful. Like the world is a video game and I have one life.
Exactly. Moms think the street is dangerous, the weather is dangerous, people are dangerous, and also, you are dangerous. Like, don't hurt yourself with a spoon.
It's love. Okay, so your mom is number one. What about your dad?
My dad is calm. He is quiet. He is not loud. But he has jokes. Small jokes. He says one line and then he smiles and walks away like he is proud.
The one line and leave style. My dad is also calm, but he is funny without trying. He says things in a serious voice, but they are funny. And then I laugh, and he looks confused, like, why is that funny?
Dad humor is special. It's like a slow surprise. And sometimes it's so bad that it's good.
True. Okay, now, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. She is younger. She is smart. She is fast. She talks fast. She walks fast. She eats fast. She lives life like she is late for something.
That is a clear picture. How is your relationship? Are you close?
Yes, we are close. We argue sometimes, but it's short. We say, "No, you. No, you." And then we laugh. And she gives good advice. Sometimes I don't want advice. I want comfort. But she gives advice anyway.
Sisters are like free life coaches. You didn't ask, but you get it.
Exactly. And she also steals my food when we are together. She says, "I don't want fries." Then she eats my fries. This is a family tradition.
The I don't want fries lie. Classic. I have a brother. He is older. He is funny. He acts like he is very cool, but he is also very sweet. He helps me a lot, but he doesn't say, "I'm helping you." He just does it like it's normal.
That's nice. Brothers sometimes act tough, but they care.
Yes. And he has one special talent. He can find things. If I lose my keys, I call him. If I lose my phone, I call him. He says, "Did you check your bag?" And the thing is in my bag.
Your brother is a wizard. My sister is the opposite. She loses everything. She can lose her phone while holding it. And then she blames the universe.
Okay, so we have mom, dad, sister, brother. Now let's add grandparents. Do you have a grandma or grandpa you were close to?
Yes, my grandma is sweet. She is small, but her personality is big. She hugs you like she will never let go. And she gives food like it's a mission.
Always food.
Always. If I visit, she says, "Sit, eat." If I say, "I'm not hungry," she smiles like, "That's cute." And she puts food anyway. And then you eat because grandma.
That's really sweet. My grandma is also sweet, but she is also a little bossy, in a funny way. She says, come here, sit there, drink this, wear a jacket, and you just do it. She is like a small queen.
A small queen is the perfect grandma description. Does she call you a nickname?
Yes, she has a special nickname for me, and she uses it like I am 5 years old, even when I'm an adult.
Grandmas don't care. In grandma world, you are always a child.
Exactly. Okay, now family is not only mom and dad. Do you have aunts and uncles?
Yes, I have an uncle who is very funny. He tells the same story every time. Every time. And he laughs before the story ends, like he is excited.
The same story uncle. Everyone has one.
Yes, and the best part is, we still laugh. Because it's not about the story. It's about him. He is happy. He is loud. He makes the room warm.
That's nice. I have an aunt who is very caring. She remembers everything. My birthday, my favorite food, my favorite color. It's scary and sweet at the same time.
That aunt is like a human calendar.
Yes. And she also sends long messages. Very long. I open the message and I'm like, okay, I need tea for this.
Long messages are love letters in family language.
True. Okay, now we have a big family picture. But the episode is called My International Family. So let's talk about distance. Do you have family in another city or another country?
Yes, I have cousins in another country. We don't see each other often, but when we talk, it feels easy, like no time passed.
That's the best feeling. I also have family far away, and we do video calls. But video calls are funny.
Yes, video calls are never normal. Never. Someone is always too close to the camera. Someone is always too far. Someone has bad internet. Someone is eating. Someone is talking to a dog.
Yes, and someone says, "Can you hear me?" 10 times.
And then everyone says, hello, 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 like we are on a spaceship.
Exactly. And time zones make it harder. Sometimes I call and it's morning for me, but it's night for them. I'm like, "Good morning." And they're like, "Why are you loud?"
Time zones are a comedy. I called my cousin once, and he answered in a whisper. I said, hey, and he said, shh, my baby is sleeping. I felt guilty immediately, like I committed a crime.
You become very polite very fast. Okay, when you talk to family far away, what do you talk about?
Simple things. Work, food, health, the weather, and memories. We say, do you remember this? And then we laugh.
Memories are important. My family loves memories. Someone always says, "When you were a child," and I'm like, "Please stop."
Family loves your embarrassing history. They keep it like treasure.
Yes, they keep it safe. Okay, let's do a small thing. I will introduce my family in a simple way, and you do yours. Ready?
Ready. This is easy.
Okay, this is my mom. She is kind. She is caring. She loves coffee. This is my dad. He is calm. He is funny. This is my brother. He is helpful. He is a little lazy on weekends. And this is my grandma. She is sweet and bossy.
Sweet and bossy is perfect. Okay, my turn. This is my mom. She is strong. She is kind. She asks, did you eat? Every day. This is my dad. He is calm. He has small jokes. This is my sister. She is smart. She is fast. She steals my fries. And this is my grandma. She is sweet. She hugs like a blanket.
She hugs like a blanket. That's adorable. Now, here's the fun part. Families have roles, like in a movie. Who is the funny person in your family?
My uncle. And also my sister. My sister can make a normal sentence funny. She has that talent.
In my family, my brother is funny, and my dad is accidentally funny. Who is the quiet person in your family?
My dad. He listens. He smiles. He speaks when it matters.
Same with my dad. Who is the loud person?
My mom when she is excited. If she is happy, the whole street knows.
In my family, it's my aunt. She enters the room like, hello, and you feel awake immediately.
Some family members are like free energy drinks.
Exactly. Okay, now food is always in family stories. What food reminds you of family?
Soup. My grandma's soup. When I smell it, I feel like a child again. It's warm. It's simple. It's safe.
I love that. For me, it's rice and beans. Very simple, very home. And also my mom's cake. She makes a cake and the smell fills the house. Then everyone appears like magic.
Family has a special power. They can smell food from far away.
True. Okay, let's talk about cousins. Cousins are interesting. They can be like friends. Do you have cousins you are close to?
Yes, I have one cousin who is like my best friend. We laugh a lot. We tease each other, and we talk about silly things.
I love cousin energy. I have cousins too, but the funny thing is, we have different vibes. One cousin is very social, always talking. One cousin is quiet and calm. One cousin is very sporty. We are like a team with different players.
Every family is a team, and someone is always the coach.
Who is the coach in your family?
My mom. My mom is the coach, the manager, and the referee. She decides the plan. She says, "We meet at 2. If you arrive at 2:10, she looks at you like you betrayed her."
Moms take time seriously. My grandma is like that. She says, lunch is at 12, and she means 12. Not 12:05, not 12:10, 12.
Family time is strict time.
Yes. Okay, let's add the international part again. Sometimes families speak different languages. Do you have that?
Yes, my cousins speak another language at home. When we talk, we sometimes mix languages. It's funny. We start in one language, we add one word from another language, and then we laugh because we can't remember the word.
Yes. And sometimes you say a word and it sounds wrong. But it's okay because it's family. Family doesn't judge.
Exactly. With family, you can be imperfect. You can pause. You can repeat. You can say, "Wait, what's the word?" And nobody is angry. They just help.
That's why family is a safe space. Even when they tease you, it's still love.
Yes, family teasing is a special sport. Not mean, just spicy love.
Spicy love. Okay, tell me one funny family moment. Simple story.
Okay, one time we had a family video call. Everyone was there. My mom, my dad, my sister, my aunt, my cousins, and my grandma wanted to join. But my grandma didn't understand the camera. She put the phone too close to her face. So the screen was only her eye. Just one big eye. And she said, "Hello," like nothing was wrong. We were all laughing and she was serious. Then she moved the phone and we saw her forehead. Then her nose. Then finally her full face. It took 10 minutes.
That is perfect. Grandparents and technology is always comedy. My grandma did something similar. She tried to send a voice message, but she didn't press the button, so she sent silence. 5 messages of silence. Then she called me and said, "Did you get it?"
5 messages of silence is art. That's modern art.
Yes. Okay, here's another funny truth. Families have group chats. Do you have a family group chat?
Yes, and it's chaos. Someone sends good morning. Someone sends a photo of food. Someone sends a joke. Someone sends 10 stickers. And then one person sends a serious message like, "Who can help me tomorrow?" And nobody answers because everyone is scared.
That is so real. In my family group chat, my aunt sends long messages, my mom sends hearts, My brother sends one word, and my grandma sends random emojis, like 3 bananas and a sun, and we all pretend we understand.
Banana sun language is powerful. It means I love you. Probably.
Probably. Okay, so basically, family is not perfect, but it's warm. Family is people who know you, people who remember you, people who show up.
Yes, and international family is the same love, just with distance. Different time zones, different weather, different food, but the same connection.
Exactly. Now, let's do a quick "Who is this?" game. I describe a person, you guess. Ready?
Ready?
This person is sweet. She makes food. She gives hugs.
Grandma.
Yes, this person is calm. He has small jokes.
Dad.
Correct. This person is fast. She talks fast. She steals fries.
My sister.
Yes. Okay, your turn.
Okay, this person says be careful, and she worries a little.
Mom.
Yes, this person is helpful and finds your keys.
My brother.
Yes, this person sends long messages and remembers your favorite color.
My aunt.
Perfect.
I like this. It's simple, but it feels real. Because families are built from simple things. Small messages, small habits, food, jokes.
And the best part is, you can love your family even when they are annoying. Like when someone asks, "Did you eat?" And you already ate, and you are still asked 5 times.
That's love.
It really is.
Before we finish, let's do one last thing. If someone asks you, "Tell me about your family," what do you say? Keep it simple.
I say, this is my mom. She is kind. This is my dad. He is calm. This is my sister. She is funny. My family is loud and loving.
I say, "This is my mom. She is caring. This is my dad. He is funny. This is my brother. He is helpful. My grandma is sweet. My family feels like home."
That's it. Simple. Real.
Thank you for listening to this episode of the Build Your English podcast. If you're thinking about your family right now, maybe send a small message to someone you love. Even a simple hi is enough.
Yes, and if your family group chat sends bananas and a sun, just answer with a heart. You'll be fine.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.